In this video, I'll show you how to present a PDF in a Zoom meeting. First, open the PDF file on your computer using any PDF viewer or your web browser. Now start or join your Zoom meeting. Once you're inside the meeting, click on the Share Screen button at the bottom of the Zoom window. A new window will appear showing all open applications on your computer. Select the PDF window that you opened earlier. If your PDF contains audio or video, make sure to enable the Share Sound option before sharing. Now, click on Share. Your PDF document will now be visible to everyone in the meeting. You can scroll through the pages, zoom in, or highlight sections while presenting. To switch pages smoothly, use your mouse wheel or the page navigation buttons in your PDF viewer. When you're done presenting, move your cursor to the top of the screen and click Stop Share. That's it. This is how you can present a PDF in a Zoom meeting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.